kids, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So today your Shamsha teacher from Senior KG Toddledam has come back with a new subject for you. And today's subject is GK. So before I start, some people have come to meet you all. Do you want to meet them? Yes, let's meet them. See children, who is he? He is in a white coat and he looks so busy. Do you know him? Yes, he is a doctor. Now look here children, who is coming to meet you all? Yes, he is a tailor and he is coming with a piece of cloth and a scissor. Now look here kids, who is coming running behind him? Yes, he is a barber with a scissor and a comb in his hand. See children, one more person is coming. Who is he? He is having a gun in his hand and he is in his uniform. Who is he? Do you know him? Yes, he is a policeman. Now look here children. She has so many books in her hand. Who is she? Yes, she is a teacher. Now look, one more person is coming to meet you all. See what he has in his hand. Oh, it's a broom. So, who is he? Do you know him? Yes, he is a sweeper. Wow, one more person is coming with so many fresh vegetables and fruits. Who is he? Yes, very good. He is a greengrocer. Now, next one is coming. Do you know him? Yes, very good children. He is a baker. See, one more person is coming. He is in so hurry. Yes, he is on a fire engine. And he is in his uniform with a big water pipe. Who is he children? Yes, he is a fireman. Now see, last person is coming to meet you all. And you know children, he has a cane in his hand. Do you know him? Who is he? Yes, very good children. He is a milkman. Okay, so the first community helper is policeman. Yes, have you seen him children? See, here he is wearing his uniform and he has a gun. Let us talk to the brave policeman. Hello policeman, how are you? You are very brave. How do you help us? Can you tell us? Hello, I catch and punish thieves and bad people who do something wrong. I make you feel safe. Next community helper is barber. Have you ever gone to the barber children? Yes? See, here is a barber. Let's talk to him. Hello barber. Can you tell something about yourself? I cut and trim hair and make people look smart. People thank me for giving them a nice haircut. So children, let's listen a poem on barber. Barber, barber, cut my hair. Clip it here and clip it there. Apply all your skills and arts. Please make me look bright and smart. Hey, look kids, who is coming? And look, he has a scissor and a piece of cloth and colorful threads. Who is he? Let's meet him. Hello, gentleman. Who are you? And what do you do? Can you please tell us?
I am a tailor. I use my skills to stitch new clothes. I can stitch shirts, pants, skirts, and tops. And I stitch clothes for different occasions.
Look, kids, who is she? She is carrying a lot of books with her. Let's talk to her. Hello, ma'am. Who are you? And where are you taking so many books? Hello, I am a teacher. I teach students to read, write, and good manners. I like kids very much. Kids, look who is he? See, he is carrying a lots of fruits and vegetables with him. Let's talk to him. Hello, who are you? And from where did you get so many fresh fruits and vegetables?
I am a greengrocer. I got these fresh fruits and vegetables from the farmer, and now I am going to the market to sell them. These fruits and vegetables are very healthy for your body and they make you strong.
Children, here is one more community helper. He is wearing a white coat and a stethoscope around his neck. I think he is a doctor. Let's talk to him. Hello, sir. Are you a doctor?
Yes, I am a doctor. I treat people when they fall sick. I give them medicine and save their lives. I am always ready to help people anytime.
Look, someone has come with a broom in his hand. Let's talk to him. Hello, how are you? And what do you do?
I am a sweeper. I sweep in your surrounding and keep it clean. It's my duty to keep the areas clean and neat.
Hey, look, kids. Someone has come on a fire engine and in his blue uniform with a big water pipe. Let's talk to him. Hello, gentleman. How are you? And what do you do?
I am a fireman. I put off the fire. I am always on my toes to put off the fire.
See, look at him, kids. He is carrying a cake. The cake looks so delicious. Let's meet him. Hello, gentleman. Who are you? Where are you carrying this delicious cake?
Hello, ha ha. I am a baker. I make tasty breads, cakes, and pastries. I also make birthday cakes with a cherry on the top.
Look at that man. He is carrying 2 canes with him. Let's ask him. What does he carry in these canes? Hello, who are you? And what do you carry in these canes?
I am a milkman. I deliver milk from door to door. I start my day in the morning and go to the people's house to give them milk.
Today, some of your friends are in trouble. Let's help them out by finding a solution to their problem. Amit has got high fever today. So, where he should go? Should he go to a barber? Or should he go to a doctor? Let us think. Yes, think. Yes, he should go to a doctor. The doctor is a community helper. He will give him medicine so that he will get well soon. Seema wants to get a new dress stitched. Who will stitch her a dress? Will a milkman stitch her a new dress? Or will a tailor stitch her a new dress? Let us think. Yes, she should go to a tailor to get her dress stitched. Mama wants to buy some fruits and vegetables. To whom will Mama go? Should Mama go to a policeman? Or should Mama go to a greengrocer? Let us think. Yes, Mama should go to a greengrocer where she will get fresh fruits and vegetables for her family. It's Arya's birthday today. Who will bake her a cake? Will a barber bake her a cake? Or will a baker bake her a cake? Let us help her. Think, think, think. Yes, baker will bake a tasty and delicious cake for her. There is a thief entered in a dolly's house. Who will catch the thief? Will a doctor catch a thief? Or will a policeman catch a thief? Let us think and help Dolly. Yes, a policeman will catch a thief and punish him. Jack is not able to read and write. He wants someone's help. So where should he go? Should he go to a doctor? Or should he go to a teacher? Let us think. Yes, he should go to a teacher. She will teach him to read and write in easy and simple way. There is a fire in Mickey's house. Who will put off the fire and help him? Will a fireman put off the fire? Or will a sweeper put off the fire? Let us think. Think, 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 think. Yes, a fireman will put off the fire. Kids, today we have learned about the community helpers. Can you imagine the life without the community helpers? Yes, we cannot imagine our life without them because we always need their help. So, we should always thank them and respect them for their help. I hope you liked today's class. See you all and meet you in the next class. Bye.